See the problem in Jamaica now. The problem in Jamaica, we have education problem. The problem in Jamaica, we have health problem. So any investor who I think to come invest their money in Jamaica, this is the top priority. The first thing you got to put in place. The big, whatever you want to call them, the big guns them who want to put up hotel in Jamaica and put up whatever you want to put up in Jamaica, Chinese cool, I don't care what. Fuck who you are. Make sure any big guns you have to respond to the health and the education of the bumbo-clad people. I don't want to cause pussy clad, but if you make me have to cause bumbo-clad, we can delete that. But whatever. That have to be the first thing, the table talk with everybody coming and come do business to make money and send back to China, America, England, and leave Jamaica people in bumbo-clad poverty and dire street. So we have to kill off a bumbo-clad one another. Everybody take care of a bumbo-clad thing and go to them bumbo-clad country and leave them have to kill one another. Until you go sit at the table and talk on a political bumbo-clad, because the two parties in Jamaica, vampire party, them bumbo-clad, they come here to support Jamaica, bumbo-clad, blood from days I see them bumbo clad them down here. I support to bumbo clad. So the bumbo clad them the top priorities. The big shot them are coming a big hotel and big what bumbo clad them have to respond to education and bumbo clad here. Time I don't talk, but suck on the mama.